Hello, the purpose of this video is to introduce some basic concepts on digital music. Digital audio is, in a nutshell, sending a computer file to the PC sound system and, consequently, hearing some music. The problem arises when you have a large music collection. How do you organize and locate these files? The losing proposition is to use solely the file system, also known as a directory structure, to achieve that task. The folders are arranged by nature in a parent-child relationship, also known as a tree, which can go only so far. It can deal with band or artist, then album, then songs, but anything more complex, a compilation album, a duet of two artists, classical music, it will escape the mold. That is why metadata, also known as audio tags, were created in the first place. Inside the audio file there is music information, of course, but also there is a small reserved section where you can write labels which characterize the music inside these files, such as the artist name, the album name, the song name, the track number, and even the album cover image. After that, a digital player, also known as jukebox, or in the case of the MusiCHI suite, the library manager, it will scan a portion of your disk, obviously where there is music, to read all these metadata located in each files and catalog them, saving the results of this indexing in another file called a library. Then the player uses this library to select the files based on a search criteria you submitted to play them. For example, get me all the file that belongs to the album Bach Transcriptions by Demidenko. By the way, library is a poorly chosen name. In the real world, a library refers to a collection of physical products, the books, whereas in the digital audio world, this word library refers only to the catalog of the files, which would correspond in the real world to a book library indices. Another point to consider that any music files do exist whether it belongs to a computer library or not. A point that is very well hidden by popular software, iTunes in particular. Also, a sophisticated software organizer should be a multi-library system. Nothing should prevent you, for example, to have a separate jazz library, remember it's just a catalog, and a classical one, and not to have to lump them together. We hope that is by now clear, that whole business, and we can proceed to bigger and better things. Thank you.